Hello, in front of me I have REALME P3, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on this device. Alright, but before we begin, let's open up the settings right in here. Now, let's scroll down into the bottom until we find the Google. And in here, simply make sure that you're logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup before. It is really important because if you are logged into other Google account, there is a chance that you won't be able to restore your chats. So have that in mind and log into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. You can restore your backup when you uninstall and install the app. We can click on allow to send us notifications, and now we need to verify our phone number. First we need to type it right in here. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click on what's my number and it will be automatically copied. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll quickly type my phone number, and once we have done that, we need to verify our phone number, and we have 2 minutes how we can do it. We can use the code from the SMS message, or for example use the missed call option. Always pick the missed call because it's much comfortable than the SMS code, and it works almost immediately. Okay, once you have verified your phone number, you should have something like that, contacts and media. Now in here click on continue, click on allow, and allow. And now as you can see we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see the date when the last backup was made, also its size and the account on which we made it. And as you can see, it's the same Google account that I'm currently logged into in the settings of my device. We need to restore our backup right now, because if you skip it now, when you click on that button, there's a chance that you won't be able to do it later, so you should do it right now. Now simply click on restore. Now the process has started. It won't take long in my case because I don't have that many messages. Of course, everything depends on size of the backup, but you can read now that 70 messages has been restored. Now click on next. Now we have the profile info. In here simply type your name, and if you are interested in changing your profile photo, you can click on right in here and pick a photo from your gallery. Then click on next. Alright, and now as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and the photos, has been successfully restored on our REALME P3. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.